Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we have listed the top 6 of the best 360 cameras in 2021 to help you find the right one for your needs and budget. So let's get started. Our list begins with the GoPro Max. If we compare it to the Fusion, this GoPro Max has a long list of new and improved features to take the best bits of spherical video capture and build on them. It has 2 cameras, one on either side of the body, stuck in the right corner. And its lenses are domed, as you would expect from a 360 camera, and they ship with lens covers to keep them protected. Its small touchscreen on the bottom of its front back will let you shoot 360-degree video completely blind, which is an easy way to control and frame your shooting. And with joining the screen, it offers more professional quality audio with better ambient noise cancellation when you need to focus on your voice. Like the Hero 8 Black, there are easy interface elements on Max's touchscreen. You can switch between Hero mode to shoot from one camera with a regular GoPro, and to get 360 modes, you can tap a little on the camera icon in the bottom left corner. Or you can flip the view on the screen to switch between the cameras by tapping the icon in the bottom right. Along with all these features, it also has a soft microfiber bag to make it easy to carry around. And these pouch comes with an additional lens cover designed specifically for shooting in the water, as they can be snapped easily onto the lenses, which enables an effortless way to shoot underwater and above the water's surface simultaneously. Next is Insta360 One X2. This One X2 offers the best blend of features, software, and user-friendliness for anyone looking to play with the many video tricks offered by 360-degree cameras. The color touchscreen LCD on the front of the One X2 certainly makes choosing your shooting mode much easier than before, as you can tap the video icon and choose between standards like HDR, time-lapse, time shift, and bullet time modes. And in the absence of a rear screen, it is touch sensitive and acts as both your viewfinder and mode selector. It has included some processing refinements, including in-camera color rendering and improved low-light performance. And with 2 fisheye lenses, it can take a 5.7K 30 frame per second video that's stitched together in the camera to create an all-sky video. Weighing just 149 grams, this Insta360 One X2 has a 1/4 inch thread on its bottom for attaching a tripod, while the side holds a small flap for a USB-C slot for recharging and a micro SD card slot. And along with that, it also has a slide-out 1630 milliamp battery that's good for around 80 minutes. Next is Kandao QooCam 8K. This QooCam 8K does a lot of things beating what a 360 camera can offer. It can capture 8K video at 30 frames per second and photos in JPEG and the RAW format DNG in 29.4 megapixels thanks to its two 1x1.7 inch CMOS sensors. While its 2.4 inch color OLED touchscreen gives real-time previews of photos and videos. Powered by a built-in 6-axis gyro, this QooCam's super steady image stabilization works well and is easy to produce smooth-looking, vlogger-style videos using this selfie stick. And its sticks used can be automatically detected and vanishes from the finished videos and photos. It has got 64 gigabytes of built-in storage in addition to a micro SD card slot that's up to 256 gigabytes. And its internal battery can be recharged via USB-C from portable battery, which enables longer shoots possible. In all, with an 8K video, 10-bit color, and a built-in stabilization, this Kandao QooCam 8K makes a compelling choice. Next is Insta360 One R Twin Edition. This Insta360 has delivered a unique thought that will suit videographers to shoot in 360 degrees for virtual reality, or just plain old 4K video. It is the first modular camera that handles both 360 degrees and 4K video. And it is waterproof down to 5 meters or 16 feet, while a separate dive case accessory can increases that to 60 meters or 196 feet. Its touchscreen on the processor module proves to be a winner, as it brings brightness that gives you access to a lot of the fine controls. And as a bonus, the module is effectively reversible so that you can switch it around through 180 degrees to get a selfie mode. You can operate the Insta360 One R via smartphone app and checking out live and instant replays using voice control, just like GoPro cameras. And its useful commands include start recording, stop recording, and more. It can capture raw photo files and video in 100 megabytes bitrate with H.265 encoding while offering an 8x slow-mo mode. And being hugely versatile, it will allow you to capture all kinds of different qualities. And its highest qualities are 5.7K at 30 frames per second on the 360 degree module and 4K at 60 FPS on the 4K module. In all, this Insta360 One R Twin Edition is an intelligent camera that brings the module concept to videography for the first time. Next is Vuze XR. This Vuze XR resembles the existing 360 degrees action cameras like the Insta360 One X or the Samsung Gear 360. It has a long plastic stick with two bulging camera modules at the top. And its smattering of physical controls and a handle takes up the bottom 2/3 of the unit. Once been manually set up, the Wi-Fi connection between the camera and your phone or tablet will automatically reconnect itself when you turn on the camera. And its connection is stable and fast, as you can transfer large high-res video files between camera and device in few minutes. Its camera has physical buttons for changing the recording mode and capturing a photo or video clip. And for editing the footage on the fly, you can record it at 4K or 30 frames per second quality and transfer it wirelessly from the XR to your phone or tablet. In all, if you're looking for something that records the main types of immersive content, then this Vuze XR can be pretty much the only alternative to the Insta360 Evo, as its hardware and image quality are both impressive and also have a strong performer for both 180 degree and 360 degree video. Last on our list is the Garmin VIRB 360. This VIRB 360 is the latest action camera from Garmin and the first that shoots video for VR. It's a very versatile camera, as you can hold the camera up above your head to grab panoramic action on the move, or can place it on the table or floor to capture events as they go on around it. Its ladder uses a tripod hand grip combo, and its legs can be folded together to make the hand grip, or you can open it out to create a tripod. Like other consumer grade 360 cameras, VIRB 360 relies on two sensors facing away from each other, equipped with extreme fisheye lenses. And its two sensors are large 1 by 2.3 inch backside illuminated CMOS chips with 201.8 degree field of view lenses each, while each sensor boasts a significant 12 megapixels, in which it can output a pre-stitched, a rectangular video file that is ready to be uploaded straight to 360 aware online platforms like YouTube or Facebook without any user editing. Its housing is waterproof to 10 meters, and the battery is removable, so you can carry spares to extend recording time. And the VIRB 360 can also be paired with a host of Garmin's sports-related sensors and data collecting alongside the video recording. In all, this Garmin VIRB 360 can be the best consumer 360-degree action camera that you can get currently on the market. Thank you for watching. If you like this video and want to hear more from us, please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified of our new videos.